In order to move data from or to SD card on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, first of all, we can open the My Files app that you can find by default in the Samsung folder. Now, once you open it, you want to find your files, so of course we can choose by categories. Let's say I'm gonna move an image. Now I can press and hold my finger, for example, in order to select a file. Of course, we can select multiple files at once, so let's say I'm gonna choose 4 of them. Now, in the bottom left corner, we need to press move. Over here, we need to choose the destination where we want to place those files. We can swipe in order to choose SD card. So now we are moving from the internal storage to the SD card. Select the folder, let's say I'm gonna choose pictures, and then move here. So this is how we can transfer files to the SD card. Now, in order to recognize which files are located in the SD card, we can take a look, for instance, in the top right corner of the file. If it has the micro SD card icon, then it means that it is stored on the SD card. And in order to move from SD card, then of course we can do the same thing. So we can press and hold and then start selecting items, choose move. Over here we can choose where we want to leave it, where we want to move it. So this time I'm gonna choose internal storage, I'm gonna choose pictures and then move here. And I have moved back all those files from SD card to my internal storage. If you open a photo, so let's say I'm gonna open in the gallery, you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner. Actually, no, scratch that, we cannot really move to the folder. So yeah, it seems like if we open the gallery, it doesn't really work. So it seems that the only way to transfer in this app specifically is by pressing and holding in order to start selecting, and then we can keep selecting those files. And we can do the same thing in videos, in audio files, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!